Sex.
Who has clothes out there?
What is that? Kevin, what is
I
that?
don't know.
Whose trunks are this?
I don't think they care.
Ew.
Too extreme.
What is
he giving birth?
that?
You recording it?
Yeah.
It's definitely, it's got to be giving birth.
Like nature like that. Too close.
But look how they.
You.
Oh, look
They're
at that.
together.
Do you see this up here?
Ew, they're hanging on.
Look, it's like stretched all the way up there. You see it?
What in the world? What is
I've
that?
never seen no shit like that before.
It's
It's giving
blue.
birth or something.
It's blue. Wait,
Yeah, look
you
at
just.
this.
What are you doing? I need the light.
Oh, sorry, hold on.
I don't trust him. Come back
Go check it out. Alright, go check it out.
Let's take a photo and I'll look at it.
Wow.
It's connected to both of them, right?
That's crazy.
It looks like a rose.
Yeah, something serious is going on and giving birth or something.
Why don't you put your flash on?
That's a
your
good.
phone?
Why don't you take a video? Is somebody
I
taking a
am
photo?
videoing it because
Wow.
Ooh, what's coming out of the bottom?
that's what I mean.
There's
What
a
is
baby
it?
in there.
What the?
Because look at the way it's moving.
I
You
think
see
you're
it?
right. This slug's giving birth over
I
here.
think it is.
That's too close to the spider. I don't give a shit right
This
now what's happening.
spider already took
I don't
off
care. It could
somewhere
come
in the
back out.
trees.
It could come down anytime. There could be more of this.
Seriously, this is crazy looking.
How long do you think it's gonna take? I
Couple
want
days? No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. I've never seen anything like that. Seriously, have you ever seen anything like that?
Mm-mm. Pretty interesting.
They wrap around each other.
That's amazing. What is that?
Baby, you're
That
missing
spider
it.
comes out one of your guys' head. I ain't saying shit.
He rolls up.
Yeah, he totally took off when he realized we were taking pictures.
Oh my god.
He wasn't photogenic.
So like, do you see that? Do you see that? The slug like
Mhm.
wrinkled?
What the
It
hell?
looks like it's retracting.
Yeah.
No,
Maybe it doesn't want to be seen.
no, not playing that.
Oh,
Not playing it.
it's just like an alien.
I know.
I've never seen anything like that before.
Yeah, they're coming apart.
Yeah.
That must be like their sex organs. It has to be, right? Out of his
Oh, they're
eyeball.
done. They're done.
Ew, it's coming! Look at those hands! How is it like coming away
That's
from
it.
the
They're
tree
fucking
out?
each other.
That's what it is.
What are you doing it now?
That's how they have sex.
Yeah. Look at that. That's crazy.
What happened to that thing?
They
It's retracting.
they were
like
having
it all
sex, I
retracts.
guess.
Really? It's
Yeah.
going back inside?
Out of their heads.
It all went back in.
What was it?
It was, I guess, their sex
It's
organs.
like their magical sex
Yes.
organs.
Big old penis came out?
Oh, yeah, it's going back in.
Oh, come back out.
Kevin.
I got a spider on me.
Jen, are you videotaping it?
Yes.
You know you can put the flash on your phone, right?
Well, I don't know if it would stay on
It does
because of
stay
the
on.
video. I don't know. I didn't want to miss it. Is there a big market for slug sex?
Oh my god.
I don't know if there was though.
You YouTube it now. Put it on YouTube.
Wow.
We're doing no sound because nobody wants to hear us talking.
Like, are they fucking?
Yeah. Dude, their snails are fucking.
Just hanging on to
They're
that
gonna
long
get it
thing.
all.
Look at his snail
Look,
dick.
there's bubbles. There's bubbles. What if they fall?
I'm waiting for them to fucking implode all over us. Now he's saying that was the best shit I ever had.
And she's like,
She's
get off
like-
of me.
She's like, fuck off me, I'm sweating. Look at the hole. See it?
Ew.
Look at that. Oh wait, that's 69 shit right there. Look
Kevin!
at that. That's, it is.
Now I can't put this on Facebook.
Oh what? I already said snail dick.
Oh my god.
Snail dick. You guys are so mature.
Look, like there's a hole in him too.
Yeah.
Or her. I don't know.
Oh, they're dripping shit.
They're kissing.
Yeah.
That is so weird.
Hey, sniff your snail dick.
All right, guys. I will see you later. Yeah, thanks for having us, man. It
Sure.
was a good
Thanks
time.
for coming, dude.
Yeah, we'll have to see you guys soon.
Yeah.
Frank,
absolutely.
I can't. Oh, they're just like crawling
Will
away
you
now.
enjoy watching the rest?
That's
There you
gotta-
go. They're all done.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Right there.
Where'd it
Right
go?
there. Right there.
Oh, bitch! You invaded their privacy, Jen.
Oh wow. All right, that must be the dude. He's like a peace out.
Yeah.
And where is the end of? Where is the end?
Up
The dick?
Up here, see it?
What is that part that's stretched so far?
That's a snail web.
Oh, that's so crazy. That is crazy.
Squirted everywhere. You guys like